Hello friends, my name is Kamlesh and today's date is 11 August 2022 and today's video topic is check and uncheck exception. So in this video we can learn about the different types of exceptions. So before going to our topic we have to knowledge about exception. So exception is an exception that is the unwanted and unexpected and abnormal situations that can occur in runtime. So the known as a exception. So some of the exceptions that occurs by the some reasons are required. That is whenever the programmer can write a invalid code and the when the JVM can run out the run out of the memory, then that like of the exceptions can occur in the program. So now coming to our topic, that is a check and uncheck exception. So the Java having in Java programming language, the exception having mainly two types of exception, that is check exception and uncheck exception. So we can see one by one. So first, what is check exception? So the check exception are it is a check by the compiler for the smooth execution and program execution. So the check exceptions can check by the compiler in the runtime execution. That's why it is called as a compiler time exception. So the check exceptions are commonly occur in exception, that is so compiler takes very more care about this exception because it is more occurs in the program. So we can see the example of check exception. So when we create a class, that is in class we create a main method. So in main method sysout in main, and we can call the m1 method and then sysout out main. So in main method in m1 method we can sysout in m1 and the sysout 10 by 0 and sysout out m1. So here the line of sysout 10 by 0, that is occurs the arithmetic exceptions. There are more rarely more exceptions or occurs. That's why we can use the throws block exception. We can handle it in this exception. So the next is a uncheck exception. So uncheck exception is a not a check by the compiler in the compile time. So it is checked by the JVM. So uncheck exceptions are the compiler doesn't take care about this exception because it is occur rarely exceptions. So that's all about the check and uncheck exceptions.